Here are some things to watch for. If the weather is hot or cold, it can more likely crack or buckle. Snow. While it may be beautiful to look at on the top of a home, heavy snow can seriously damage the structure of your roof. Not only can heavy snowfall, but it can also cause it to collapse. Winds are another cause of damage, especially if it is not made to withstand strong winds. Cold weather also has the worst effects, particularly on the gutters. A few inches of accumulated water can severely damage and cause ice dams. If not repaired quickly, ice dams can cause extensive damage. Unlike water damage, ice can damage both flat and slanted. You should contact a roofing professional if you notice any damage. Strong winds can damage your roof. A single inch of rain can drop up to 1,500 gallons of water. In addition to that, the extra moisture can cause mold and moss to grow. The best way to prevent these problems is to maintain them regularly. It will help you avoid expensive repairs in the future. The best way to prevent roof damage is to maintain it regularly. Make sure you know how to do maintenance on your roof. Heat. An extreme heat throughout the day then cools down quickly during the night can result in a thermal shock. This means the material can go through a rapid expansion and contraction which contribute to the weakening of its structural integrity over time. Rain. Heavy rains result from a wear down of your roofing system. The damage caused by rain can be a loss or missing of shingles and a moisture penetration to its underlayment.